of you students. In previous lecture we studied about the lesson number 2 in block number 3 in subject maths. So students, in second lesson we study about the 10, thousands and lakhs with the help of abacus method. So you know that the place values from right to left, the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then 10,000s and lakhs. Means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 place values. So students, you know that the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. But today we study about the comparing and ordering. So what is mean by comparing and what is mean by ordering? Ordering means there are two types of ordering, in ascending order and in descending order. We arrange the number in ascending order as well as we arrange the number in descending order. Descending means greatest to smallest and ascending means smallest to greatest. Ascending means smallest to greatest and descending means greatest to smallest. Okay. So here we compare the number, which number is greater, which number is lesser and which two numbers are equal in this lesson. But in previous lecture already we studied the greatest and smallest number and ascending and descending order. But students, today we study about the 6 digit numbers. About the 6 digit numbers. Okay. So first of all I read the lesson and then we solve the question. So let's start. It is easier to compare numbers which have different number of digits. It is easier to compare numbers which have different number of digits. एकाच नंबरचे वेगळे डिजिट्स असतील तर त्यांचं कंपॅरिझन करणं आपल्याला काय होतं, इझी जातं. द नंबर विथ मोर डिजिट्स इज ग्रेटर दॅन द नंबर ऑफ फ्यू डिजिट्स. नंबर विथ मोर डिजिट्स, सपोज 8251 is greater than 721. Why the 721 is less than the 8251, or why the 8251 is greater than the 721? Because the digits are ones, tens, hundreds, but here ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So it is a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. So as compared to two numbers, the 3-digit number is smaller than the 4-digit number. Therefore 8251 is greater than the 721. Understand? Comparison or comparison. So next, the number with more digits is greater than the number with few digits. A 6-digit number will always be greater than the 5-digit number. मग 6-digit number जो असेल हा 5-digit पेक्षा काय असणार आहे, मोठा असणार आहे. For comparing numbers with the same number of digits, we compare the value of each digit starting from the highest place values. So students, already we studied in previous lesson the comparing and ordering. Okay, so same condition, but here the number of digits are greater. Okay, so we can arrange numbers in both this ascending and descending order. Means that here we arrange the numbers in ascending order as well as we arrange number in descending order. Okay, to order more than two numbers in the ascending or descending order, we start comparing from highest place value and they move to right. Okay, so students, very simple. इतकं सगळं लक्षात ठेवण्यापेक्षा अगदी सोपी पद्धत, लहानापासून मोठ्याकडे, स्मॉलेस्ट टू ग्रेटेस्ट, इट इज कॉल्ड द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर and greatest to smallest, मोठ्यापासून लहान, it is called the descending order. Understand? Okay. So see the question number first. Compare the numbers, use the place value if needed. Students, here we write only answers of the questions, but you write in your notebook. First of all you write the question and then you write the answer. पहिल्यांदा तुमचं क्वेश्चन लिहायचं, त्यानंतर मग तुमचा आन्सर काय असेल ते लिहायचं आहे. इथं मी फक्त आन्सर्स लिहिणार आहे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्लीज राइट इन युअर नोटबुक. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. क्वेश्चन इज कंपेअर द नंबर्स, यूज द प्लेस व्हॅल्यू टेबल इफ नीडेड. जर गरज असेल तर प्लेस व्हॅल्यू टेबल काय करायचं, वापरायचं. करायचे आणि नंबर्स कम्पेअर करायचे. सो क्वेश्चन ए, एक्झाम्पल इज 2,11,985 and 25,989. Okay, so students, first of all you look at the place values of this number. This is a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000 place. Okay, and in this number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs, means that in these two numbers the place value of these numbers are lesser than the place value of these numbers. Means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5-digit number, but these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are a 6-digit number. So 6-digit number is greater than the 5-digit number. Therefore 2,11,985 is greater than the 25,989. Understand? Okay. See question second, B. B question. 2,22,122 and 2,12,120. Students, here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, means that these are a 6-digit number. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs, these are a 6-digit number. Means that in these numbers these two are the 6-digit numbers, but here the ones place are the same, tens place are the same, 100 place is the same, 1,000 place are the same, but 10,000 place are the different. Here the 2 is greater than the 1. Therefore the 2,22,122 is greater than the 2,12,122. Understand how we compare the numbers? Any objection about this? Any queries about this? If you queries about this lesson or if on this question, so please ask your questions and queries. Okay. Next, second question. Write the numbers in place value table arranged in descending order. Here give the numbers. Question number 2A. 7,60,230. Then next number is 2,10,734. Then next number 1,09,827. Okay. So here question 2 is write the numbers in the place value table. Here we write the numbers in place value table and then arrange in descending order. So students, here first of all we arrange these numbers in place value table. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay, these are a place value chart. Then we fill up the numbers in these tables and then we write in ascending order. So once here first of all we add the first number 0, 3, 2, 6, 1, 7. Then in second number 4 ones, 3 tens, 7 hundreds, 0,000, 1,000 and 2 lakhs. In third number 7 at ones place, 2 at tens place, 8 at 100 place, 9 at 1,000 place, 0 at 10,000 place and 1 at lakh place. These are the place value chart. Okay. Then we arrange in ascending order. So in ascending order, first of all you look at here the all numbers are in the is a greater than the 2. 2 lakh is a greater than the 1. So ascending order means smallest to greatest. So first number is 1,09,827. Then second number 2,10,734. And then in last 7,16,230. It is called the ascending order. Understand? So students, today's homework of subject maths, solve the question 3, 4, 5 and 6 and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.